Hi everybody, welcome to Burton Caravans at Camwell. This is our 2013 Bailey Orion 460/5 single axle lightweight 5 berth with bunk beds. Superb condition. It's only 1,345 kilos, fully laden. It's got an awning included as well, one owner from new. If you're wanting something lightweight for the family, this is it. So it's really nice and light inside. Alutech body shell. Fabulous condition. Front section here can be used as 2 shorter singles or can be made up to a double. Stereo CD player fully fitted. Blinds, fly screens throughout. Attractive curtains. Makes it a really homely feel. In the kitchen area, we've got a fully digital microwave. We've got a 3-burner gas hob. And an oven with a grill combined. The fridge is a Thetford 3-way fridge, gas mains and 12 volt. And a nice large stainless steel sink with drainer and chopping board included. Heating and hot water on this Orion, you've got hot water from Truma on mains and 12 volt and gas, and you've also got a space heater from Whale, which again mains and gas operated. We come through to the rear of the caravan. We've got a side seating area which makes a single bed. And then we've got a long bench seat which can be a single, and then you have a flick up bunk area just to the rear of that, so that makes your 5th berth. So 2 bunks to the left and a single seating area to the right. This can all be closed off by the use of the curtain. There's a TV area here with aerial socket so that the kids can see the TV through the hole here. And at the very rear of the caravan we've got an electric flush toilet with swivel base, a wash hand basin and a fully lined hot and cold shower unit. Lots of storage as well in the wardrobe area. So ladies and gentlemen, that was our 2013 Bailey Orion 460/5 5-berth dinette with bunks. Only 1,345 kilograms total weight, one owner from new, and it comes with an awning. It's 11,995, fully serviced, fully valeted, fully demonstrated with our comprehensive warranty. If you'd like further details, please don't hesitate to get in touch We're available 7 days a week on 0121 308 4766, or you can email us canwell@burtoncaravancentre.co.uk. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you soon.